came from India and brought me these beautiful, beautiful bindis. So I'm gonna give y'all a little haul. There are literally like so many. But so beautiful. Literally so beautiful. Love. Beautiful. Oh, I'm a gold girl. Like, all my jewelry's gold. Love. It's like blue. She really got the memo. Like, she was like, they're all gonna be long and sweet. This one. This is giving. Beautiful. This is kind of like the green one. We have this. This is really good for performances because I feel this is like big. My grandma didn't give me these. I got these on Amazon. This. She's a little bit disheveled because the main events. Okay. Stop it. This is like beautiful. Oh, I have to show this one. Okay, so personal in a bit, so my bindi for the day. Oh, one is my favorite. And this is the bindi for the day. Love you guys.